So guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkerboard with the Rubik's Cube. So, first things first, you're going to rotate each of these, so two of the sides, opposite sides, 2 times, like this. And then you're gonna do that with the other side that is still like any color, like this. Hold up. And as you see, on the top, on the white part should still be should be like this already. But so you're gonna do the same thing, but like this. Hold up. You're gonna do the same thing, but like this. And then if the other axis is not like that, do it the same thing. That is how you make a checkerboard with the Rubik's Cube. Now, if you want it back, just do the same thing, but in reverse. It's easy. There we go. When all sides are like that, we turn them all back. And there we go. But in case you missed it, here's a short version. First, turn the Rubik's Cube like this on the red side. Second, go to the green side and do the same thing. Third, for the green side, still the green and blue side, do the same thing with these 2 sides. And that is it. That's how you make a checkerboard Rubik's Cube, like that. And if you want to solve it back, do the same thing, but in reverse. This is a short version. Hold on. Sorry, guys. There you go. Have a great day. Bye.